Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and today I want to show you how you can make free money, you guys. And I do mean free money. I know you're probably like, what's the catch? There is no catch. This system is fairly new. A lot of people have been getting paid with it. I've saw it, and I was like, you know what? This would be actually good for my subscribers and other people to be able to make money without investment. So I wanted to bring this to you guys. You can take it and do whatever you want with it. All right, so. The name of this company is Earn Easy Commissions. I guess you could say it's an Earn Easy Commissions review for me. So I got in the system to check it out for you guys to make sure everything, checks out, make sure there's no scams or anything involved with this, and everything is checking out just fine. Okay, so basically, this is a CPA network. If you don't know what CPA is, like I've been telling you guys, it's cost per action or cost per acquisition, meaning you will get paid from someone filling out a form, putting in their email, or just doing an action, some form of action. Okay, so basically, in a nutshell, um, you sign up for free, completely free, okay? And then you get a back office that looks just like this. Now you can go through these steps and do, as you will. There are some upgrades if you would like to, but you don't have to upgrade to make money, okay? Um, and so you'll get, a back office, and then, like I said, you can go through the steps, but you also get a referral link. So once you go here, you want to click, grab your referral link. The first thing I would say do is watch that first video so you can get an understanding of everything that's going on. But you get a referral link. I'm just showing you the basics so you can get started right now if you want to. You get your referral link. Normally I would say go to Bitly. I usually go to like Bitly, and then I shorten the link, and then you're able to actually promote it. So let me see if I can actually go to the website right quick here so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Once you go here, you shorten your link. You can start promoting in Facebook groups. You can start promoting all over the place. Okay, so you go to Bitly. You can sign up. Bitly is absolutely free. It just shortens your link so you don't have to promote this long, drawn out link. So I usually go to create link. You paste it in there, create, and they give you a small link here. So you'll click copy. Now you have a shorter link, and it'll look like this. You can actually customize it and say whatever you want to right here. But you just pretty much just copy up here, and you can start promoting. And then anyone who fills out this form here, okay, because this is what your referral link will lead to. It will lead to this capture page here. This system does everything for you, so it's completely automated. They watch this video, okay, or if they just decide to fill out this form, you get paid $1 for each person that does that, okay? You get paid every week with this company. It pays directly to PayPal each week. So for the simplicity of it. Sorry, you guys, I'm kind of getting tongue tied. The simplicity of it is you bring them here, they fill out the form, you get paid $1. Okay, as simple as that. They have to go check their email and things like that for the confirmation link, but you'll get paid $1 for that. Now, I'm not gonna talk too much about the upgrades, but just know. If they decide to upgrade, if you're on a free account, anyone who decides to upgrade, you'll be paid $100 for. Okay, so if you sign someone up for free, they decide they want to upgrade, you'll get paid $100. But if you are a VIP member and that same person decides to upgrade, you'll get paid $500. So, you know, like I said, you guys, the system is pretty cool. You can start today, get paid, within the next week. They pay like I said, via PayPal. So system's very good. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. Click the link in the description below. That way, you guys can be on my team. I'll go ahead and make a free training for you guys showing you, certain things that I would do with this in order to maximize your income. And then from there, you guys will be set and good to go. So like I said, no upfront investment. You never have to spend $1 on this system if you don't want to. But if you do want to, that's completely up to you. So if you want to go ahead and just use the free portion of the company and go ahead and scale your income, do that. You know what I mean? I just wanted to bring you guys something that could possibly, help you guys starting out on making, your first $100, $200 online if you haven't made any money yet. Okay, so this video helped you, make sure you subscribe, share it, you know, get the word out to your friends. Go ahead and make you a free account. Get your friends on it. You guys can start getting paid together. Maybe you can come up with some better ideas on, you know, how you can market this and all of that. So with that being said, I want to show you one more thing. Okay. I want to show you one more thing. They do have a mastermind group. Okay. And it has about 13,000 members in it. Okay. This is the mastermind group that you'll be a part of once you're in here. Okay. The CEO is here. Okay. And then they do have, you know, a bunch of proof photos. So I want to show you that they are paying people out. Okay. So you'll get emails like this all day when you get signups. You know, you get a $1 per commission. Okay. And then they do have, let me see if I can click on some different ones. They are showing that people are getting paid out. Okay, so Earn Easy Commission sent you $12, $382, $492, $28, $12, 78. I mean, so you see the numbers are there. They are paying out weekly in PayPal. You can actually go through the group once you're signed up and actually see payment proof of people who are getting paid right now. People are getting $500 upgrades and things like that. So the company checks out. They are paying. It is free to get started. So go ahead, click the link below. Get started. If you guys have any questions or concerns, contact me, and I'll be back making more valuable videos to help you guys grow your entrepreneur business. All right. See you later.